Today we're gonna make a quick fix. Yesterday when I parked my truck, I found out that my hub is leaking, and I'm gonna present two ways of managing the problem. For that kind of situation, the duty can stop you and take you out of service. That's why we're gonna change it. But if you don't have a hub with you, you can tighten the hub and clean it with a brake fluid, so can be, work presentable for the till the time you gonna stop and change is the way it must be. Those hubs, you can have it and you can buy it from every truck stops. It's not more than between $15 and $20. So let's go ahead and take my new hub and change the hub and put a new fluid inside. That's the one I'm talking about. It's between 15 and 20 bucks. Every truck stop have them. And today I'm gonna use one of my favorite tools. And for the oil drain, I'm gonna use just a regular bottle of my old oils, which I'm gonna install under the hub. Let's put those here. Let's make it clean and neat, not messy. Okay, I think that's completely fine with the oil drain here. And another favorite tool I have here, it's my small Milwaukee gun, which I'm using for just quick fix of my truck. Okay. I'm coming to grab my hammer. Sometimes you're gonna need a hammer to take out the hub. It's been there a while. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I got it. Easy, easy, not so hard. Perfect, no mess. That's the oil inside, that's the old hub, and the one who's gonna be replaced. I'm gonna try to cover the best I can to cover my bearings, because I'm gonna clean it out, and that's the way how I'm doing it, because I'm gonna clean the rest of the debris over the bearings. That's the tool I'm using. Here we go. And easy, don't push, don't make any harm on the outside of the bearings. Let's go for another quote. On the bottom it's a little bit difficult, but I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, I'm almost done. I'm using my, as I said, my gasket remover tool to scrub all the rest of the gasket here. I guess we're almost done. I mean, I'm done on the top, but I'm not done on the bottom. So just a little bit more of work, and we're going to be ready for new installment. Once I'm done scrubbing the old gasket out of the hub, I'm gonna leave the oil to drain, and then I'm gonna clean it and prepare it with a brake cleaner for the new part. And while we're the oil, once the oil it's almost, actually completely drained, I'm gonna prepare the surface as I said before with my brake cleaner all around the gasket surface, not inside the hub, only around. It's drying pretty quick. Now looks good and clean and dry. Just a little bit more TLC here. Okay, ready. Okay, let's take the hub and the gasket. I'm gonna install everything by hand this time. Easy. Don't push hard or anything. Align everything by hand. Take your time, don't be in a hurry here. Okay, let's take the other bolts. The oil for me to be more easy to install the rest of the bolts here. Okay, we are ready, and here we're gonna do everything by hand. Don't use the gun because you can strip them. And okay, here we go. Perfect. And do it cross side. Perfect. Okay, I'm done here. I'm taking out the cap and ready for the new oil. Come with me and let's talk about oil. Depends where are you. I'm using the hub oil by Lucas, but also you can use a gear oil in case you don't have with you the hub oil and you're in a stop emergency somewhere where there's no truck stop or gas station. Let's go and fill the hub. Okay, I already start filling the hub with my hub oil, and I'm waiting. I add to the full level, and I'm waiting right now to settle down for a little bit to add some more. And after 25-30 minutes, I am checking my oil hub, and I see it's at max, at full level here. It's not dropping anymore, so that's the way I know the job is done, and my full level it's completely perfect, and I'm not adding more hub oil into my hubs. But before everything, wait for 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes, see where the levels are, and then add some more. If the levels are fine, it's okay, don't add anything. But if it's dropped, add some more. Check your level, full level here, and if there's need of more, add more. If not, not. That's the complete hub oil change. It takes me not more than, I don't know, between 15 to 20 minutes. And of course, I'm right now at my yard, and it's pretty easy. I'm not in a rush. I'm not confused by anything to be in a rush, so I take my time. But I don't think it's gonna be a problem for any of you guys. If you're on a truck stop or God forbid somewhere else and you need to change it, probably it's gonna take you not more than 30 minutes. So thanks for watching. I think if I can make it, you can all of you can do it as well as me. And that's all about today's video. Oil change, actually hub change and oil change for my hub.